Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to start a dropshipping business using Alibaba and Shopify? In this step-by-step video, I will show you exactly how to connect Alibaba to your Shopify store, find reliable suppliers, and start selling without holding any inventory. First of all, we need to know what is dropshipping with Alibaba. Dropshipping means you sell products online but your supplier handles storage and shipping. With Alibaba, you can find manufacturers who offer dropshipping friendly options and connect them to your Shopify store. First of all, create a Shopify store if you haven't already. Go to shopify.com, click on it. Now enter your email address, then click Start Free Trial and follow the setup process. If you have already an account, just log into your Shopify account, go to shopify.com and click login from the home page. Then go to alibaba.com and create an account there too. Both platforms are free to start. If you have already an Alibaba website, just click sign in, or you can start with Google, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Search for a product you want to sell, like earbuds. Click on it. Use filters like ready to ship, trade assurance, and verified suppliers to make sure you are dealing with trustworthy sellers. Look for sellers who offer dropshipping. You can usually find this in the product details or by messaging them directly. Filter from here, Alibaba guaranteed, verified supplier, delivery or merged by supplier, and choose a product. You can chat with supplier. Just click chat now and type your message and send. So easy. You can usually find the chat now option under uh, under variations tab. Make sure the supplier offers no MOQ, minimum order quantity, private labeling or branding if you want. Reliable shipping times, good ratings and reviews from past buyers. There are two ways to add the product to your Shopify store. Use the Alibaba Dropshipping app from Shopify App Store to connect products directly. Go to Shopify App Store from online store, then click sales and channel, then add app and channel, sales channel, then click Shopify App Store. Now search for Alibaba Dropshipping. Or manually add the product using the title, photos, and description from AI. Set your own retail price in Shopify, for example. If the supplier charges $10 and shipping is $5, you might sell it for $29.99 to make a good profit margin. Make sure your shipping zones and delivery rates are set up correctly in Shopify. You can either offer free shipping and include that in your product price or charge based on region. Before you start selling, order a simple sample for yourself. This helps you check quality, packaging, and actual delivery time. If you use the Alibaba dropshipping app, orders can be automatically forwarded to the supplier. Otherwise, you will need to manually place each order on Alibaba and enter your customer's details. So I recommend use Alibaba dropshipping app from Shopify App Store. Once your store is ready, launch your product and start marketing through Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or even with email campaigns. Focus on targeting your ideal customer using eye-catching product videos and testimonials. You can use the search for Alibaba or select AliExpress Alibaba demo overload, then click on it. Now install the app. You can use the model list dropshipping for Alibaba. Then click install. Then follow the prompt. Click that. Allow all permission and pick a plan. But you can use model list. Just go to model list dashboard. Select your Alibaba and AliExpress website and find the dropshipping items on Alibaba and add it to in your store. And that's how you dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. Pros: wide range of products, lower costs direct from manufacturers. Cons: long shipping times, no buyer protection like AliExpress. Manual communication with suppliers may be needed. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions or want help picking a niche. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.